Hello and welcome to the course on the MidJourney AI. In this particular course, we are going to be learning everything about the MidJourney generative AI, using which we can provide a text prompt, and using that it will be generating an image output with the help of it. It is also known as text to image. And using this technology, we can create stunning looking images that looks from the real world. And these images will be created with the help of an AI model that has been trained on tons and tons of images. So my name is Arwaz Khan and I will be your instructor throughout this course. In this course, we are going to be learning everything about MidJourney from a very basics to an advanced level. I will be showing you a step-by-step process of how you can start learning about MidJourney and use it to create stunning looking images, as well as how you can use it to produce different kinds of output by providing different parameters as well as different options that are available with this particular MidJourney AI. So if you are interested in learning about the MidJourney AI, so what are you waiting for? Click on that enroll button and get started with the course. I'm waiting for you inside the course.